You searched how to buy shares of Société d'Explosifs Produits Chimiques SA, and this short guide shows the practical steps. Société d'Explosifs Produits Chimiques SA is a French industrial chemicals and explosives manufacturer listed on Euronext under the ticker EXPL.PA. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade shares, you must use a broker, and here I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker EXPL.PA to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing that matches Société d'Explosifs Produits Chimiques SA. Open the asset page to review basic company details and the price chart. Confirm the company name, market Euronext, and ticker EXPL.PA to ensure it is the correct share. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review order settings and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the platform may queue or schedule the order according to its rules. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.